Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about Shipley. This is another driving opportunity for those that are looking for side gigs, contract work, or something even just full time. This is possibly the platform for you guys. Now, I have not done a thorough research on this. It's just been very basically. So we're going to learn together. So let's go ahead and scroll down to about. Um, this will give us more insight on how this company actually operates. So I'm going to go down here to the footer and right here where it says about, this should give us company info. So it says learn more about Shipley, matching you with rated shipping companies going there anyway since 2008. Then it has our story. We want to make deliveries easier for everyone while reducing CO2 emissions. Back in 2008, our founder Robert noticed that the truck delivering a pool table to his student house in Manchester would be driving back to London completely empty. Not only is this a waste of profit, time, and CO2 emission, it is widespread throughout logistics. Over 25% of vehicles run completely empty, and over 50% run only part full, according to Department for Transport Status or State Stats. Sorry, guys, I cannot read today. So it says Shipley was born an online shipment marketplace that connects shipping companies and customers. We empower shipping companies to maximize spare vehicle space, thus reducing harmful CO2 emissions, all while providing users with the best possible price for their shipment. To date, Shipley remains privately owned and has been used by millions of users across the world. So they have like 130,000 delivery companies that's on their platform, obviously. Their mission, it says, to provide value, fair platform, reduce CO2, and basically, this company is just an online delivery platform. So Shipley combines a transparent platform with features that employ or empower delivery companies to run efficiently and maximize profitably. So this is okay. So the good thing about this is that they have 130 different type of delivery companies here. So, okay, so now they're all over. They are all over the world, guys. It says a delivery request is made every 30 seconds from over 150 delivery countries. So their services, so here at the bottom here, these are some of the services that they have. Car shipping, freight shipping, RV transport, auto parts shipping, motorcycle shipping, large item shipping, truckload, freight shipping, even pet shipping, furniture shipping, boat transport, heavy equipment transport, pallet shipping, freight shipping, moving companies, international shipping, and household goods shipping. So this kind of gives you an idea of the, type of things that you are possibly will be delivering, and kind of depends on what type of vehicle that you have too. And I know me, if I do anything with delivering, it's gonna have to be something small because I have a small SUV. So I would look more into like pet shipping, or even household goods. Kind of depends. But of course, like I said, you would need like a bigger vehicle. A lot of people are using like the vans or box trucks or something like that, but that's more than a one person job. You would need a couple movers with you that can actually help you with something like this. And then depends on exactly how much you're getting paid. So let's kind of go back here because I did see something earlier and hopefully I can still find it here. It kind of gives you an idea. Okay, here it is right here. So this is just like an idea of how much you can possibly make on different type of items that you may ship. So for this 28-inch Sea Ray boat, this one came from North Carolina, went to New York. That person got paid $2,508 just for that. And then these two Sea Doos on trailer came from Canada, going to Arizona, was $386. Then here's this chair here, a wingback armchair. $617. Looks like it came from London, went to Illinois. So this kind of give you an idea of how much you can get paid for some items like this. And let's see what else is important here to look at. So this interface is more for like someone that's wanting to get something shipped. So this is just that interface. So if we go back to, let me scroll down here. And I'm learning as we go here, guys, so bear with me. Okay, look, here's some frequently asked questions. And this may be for more of the person that's requesting the services. So it says, does Shipley cover my area? Yes. There are carriers using Shipley all over the country and abroad. So whether you need to move a sofa across town or send a car across Europe, we have got you covered. Okay, and who will carry out my delivery? Whoever you choose. Okay, so it seems like that person that wants their items picked up, they can choose whatever drivers that they want to ship. So it says there are thousands of rated transport providers on our platform ready to make a bid to carry out your delivery. It is up to you to decide which quote to accept. So this is some good information right here. So basically, it looks like um, that the person that wants the items delivered, they basically put a quote out, or no, they'll put out how much that they want the item to be picked up, and then you're basically putting, I guess, bidding on it. And this is just my assumption. You maybe just be bidding on this, and there's probably other people bidding on it too. And then that person will basically pick who they want to take their delivery. Um, okay, now it says, does Shipley have different size vehicles? There are thousands of carriers on Shipley with a wide range of vehicle size capable of handling any delivery. Okay, providing the rough dimensions and pictures if possible on your listing will allow the delivery company to get the right vehicle sent out to you. Okay, so they may post like pictures of what the items look like so that way you know which type of vehicle that you'll need. Um, and it says, when will I receive a quote? You will typically start to receive quotes within 30 minutes. If you are worried about the lack of quotes, try adding some more detail to your listing as transport providers may be unsure of dimensions or weights and feel unable to provide an accurate quote. Oh, okay, so you are providing a quote. If your delivery is urgent, you can try our featured delivery feature, which moves your listing on the top of the search page for carriers. Okay, now it says, can I call Shipley? So Shipley support is available only on email at support-us@shipley.com. So that will be a little bit of an issue because I know me, if I have a question, I definitely want to talk to a human instead of, going back and forth on emails. Because if you're driving, and this again, this is just for um I guess the person that wants their items delivered. So I guess they can only reach Shipley by email. Hopefully that's different for the drivers because if it's like an urgent matter, I would like to get a hold of a human. But this is just my opinion. Um, and then this last question here says, how many quotes will I receive? Okay, there are no guarantee of quotes. 98% of our listing receive at least 3 quotes, so you're likely to find someone who can undertake the delivery of your items. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of people that's posting quotes. Okay, they have more questions here. So this is just kind of give you an idea. Now I haven't signed up yet. I haven't had really time. So let's go here where it says learn more about Shipley. Had I had signed up, maybe I can give you guys more of an eye opener of how this thing works. But you guys are more welcome to sign up. So this is where you go to sign up here. It says thousands of jobs are posted on Shipley load board every day. That's awesome. So it seems like you may have work, but the only downside is you have to bid on jobs, and it depends on if you will get picked or not. So you can literally be just waiting to get picked on something. You know what I mean? So basically this is how you sign up. You'll click sign up, then it says search, quote, get paid. So sounds really easy. Search shipments, so you can search shipments. It says use powerful search functions to find loads which match your requirements. So, okay, enter your zip code and probably find a gig that's close to you. But I think the further that you travel, the more that you get paid. Place quotes, carry out the job. Okay, so right here where it says how does our load board work? A delivery request gets posted by our customer service or customers every 30 seconds. And if you are a delivery driver looking for shipments, you can take advantage of our load board by browsing and fulfilling jobs. And I'm tired, guys. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, so my voice is dragging and I'm like tongue twisting over here. So, this is where you can go and just get more information. I don't want to kind of bore you guys with all of this. Just want to kind of give you guys an insight on another gig opportunity. Um, so it says, let's see, freight load boards. Okay, so freight load boards, looking for some basic freight shipping work. Okay, so this is more for like freight. Okay, then truckloads is looking for loads to fill your truck. You can find a whole house move and office moves, as well as a host of similar requests on our board. Okay, so that's for trucks. And then there's a LTL load board. Get a little less room, but still want to pick up pick up work on a route. Okay, then there's a carrier load board. Okay, so searching for an item that needs to be delivered quickly. This would be more like me, courier, and then they have the box truck, then they have a hauler. Car hauling is very popular on our platform, with job posted frequently. You can be sure to find cars that need moving on our free load board. Okay, cars. Wait a minute. No, I can't move a car. Power. Let's see. Looking for a trailer. Hmm. This is something I think I would still want to sign up for this just to see if it's possible for me in my small little SUV to do any type of gigs. So hopefully this has been a little bit helpful for you guys. Again, if you guys are wanting to sign up for something like this, you would just click on the free sign up. And if you have any questions, you would go ahead and click help. I guess this is where you would email them. Yeah, you enter your name, email, um, information to get a response. Okay, so again, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe or leave me a comment below. And thanks for watching. Stay blessed.